The women in their childbearing age need to pay attention to health. This is vital not just before one gets pregnant, but during the 9 months of pregnancy as well. One can be immensely helped by regular physical activities before conceiving. This helps you to have a good fitness level that supports a healthy mind and weight through pregnancy later on. A lot of women prefer holistic approaches like fertility yoga, for balancing the body, soul, and mind. Nutrition also has an equal role with an active lifestyle. Below we shall discuss in detail everything that you can learn through the Healthy Pregnancy Summit. About Holistic Pregnancy Summit. Now the Holistic Pregnancy Summit offers you information through 24 best wellness experts. Each one of them has a specialization in hormonal and fertility health. They will also put focus on emotional health. These speakers have in-depth knowledge and expertise. They are here to share with you interesting studies on the varied factors that are influencing you on pregnancy and conception. This includes everything from your mind frame to the core DNA. All of the information by the speakers that's imparted will help you with conceiving but also prepare your body in the right way for carrying the baby through the entire term. You shall learn some vital coping skills that deal with highs and lows that might be faced due to infertility issues or an unfortunate miscarriage. Healthy Pregnancy Summit reviews how do the experts help? Now you can minimize the worries that are associated with pregnancy. Over 20 experts are present to make sure that you are well prepared for months to come without any fear. Here is all that can be helpful if you decide to join the summit. Increasing your probability for successful conception. Each of the aspiring mothers that have faced some challenges while conceiving understands how soul-crushing the process can get. There are different feelings of sadness that one goes through, often blaming ourselves. But understand that you are not alone in this. If you had been facing any problems in conceiving or thinking to have a child, the experts will show the way for avoiding the struggle. Understand nutrition for supporting healthy development of the fetus. It is rightly said that you are what you eat. When we talk about pregnancy, you and your child are dependent on the food that you eat. Again and again, it has been said that fetal development is immensely impacted by the nutritional choices you make. The summit helps you to learn everything that you should and shouldn't eat so that the baby has a healthy start of life. Know about the medications and supplements that are allowed. Understand that all supplements aren't equal. There are some of them that, if not dangerous, should be avoided as they are completely worthless during pregnancy. You shall be informed on the right supplements to take and where to buy them without the need to join a medical school. How to avoid the complication during childbirth and pregnancy. There is no magical immunity that shall save you from the risks and complications involved with pregnancy. It can get a bit scary for women around the world when they even think about it. The experts shall be teaching you how can you minimize any such risks, and go ahead with childbirth with confidence. Have support for specific pregnancy situation. Not all pregnancies are the same. You might be in a unique situation right now. But don't worry, as you shall receive complete guidance on reducing expenses, eating healthy food, and improving the opportunity for giving birth to a healthy baby. Regardless of the difficulties you can be facing, the experts are with you. They shall offer you support needed when you feel alone. Benefit from the medical professionals' expertise. All of your questions will get answered by leading experts and doctors in the world. These are people that have excellent experience in the field of motherhood and pregnancy. The organized virtual summit is for you so that you gain as much knowledge as you can. This will assure that you have the courage and confidence to enjoy the pregnancy experience and have a sense of happiness and accomplishment. Who are the summit hosts? James Adams, PhD. If you have been living under a rock, let us give you a detailed introduction to James Adams. He is an internationally renowned scientist and his research focuses on the health disorders in pregnancy and children. He has more than 160 articles in Science already published. And that's not it. Dr. Adam is also the President Professor at Arizona State University and the Director of Asperger's Autism Research Program over there. He is also the Chairman of the Science Advisory Board of the Neurological Health Foundation, or the NHF, that he had directed for the development of the Healthy Child Guide at NHF. He had also guided the development of Healthy Nest Prenatal Supplement, which is the first of its kind prenatal that is tailored for each of the trimesters. Debbie Hamilton MD, MSPH. Dr. Debbie Hamilton has a Master's of Science in Public Health degree. She has counseled several couples successfully for the steps that need to be taken for maximizing their probability to have a healthy full-term pregnancy that results in a healthy child. She has dedicated her medical experience to the treatment of autistic and ADHD children. In pediatrics, physician nutrition, and integrative medicine she is triple board certified. She has been attending the national events that speak on reversing the chronic health disorders that are commonly seen. Additionally, she is a well-informed speaker and a respected author and has written books on controlling risk factors before, during and after pregnancy. She is the teaching physician at the Neurological Health Foundation, also called the NHF. What can you learn from the Healthy Pregnancy Summit? As we mentioned above that each of the pregnancies is different. One can be well aware of each of the developments and changes occurring through expert knowledge. You will be learning everything via presentations given by the internationally known experts. Also, if you are facing a unique scenario, you will get all of the answers that you had been looking for. Here are some of the major topics that are discussed in the summit. How can you increase the probability of a healthy conception? Dr. Victoria Mazes, MD explains everything on healthy conception. Did you know that about 10% of the couples struggle with infertility and many have issues conceiving? You will be informed on the best time for conceiving, ways through which you can avoid toxins in the diet, and nutrition changes. Also, detailed information on the optimal time one must weigh before another pregnancy for making sure healthy conception occurs. How to have a safe pregnancy for a healthy baby. Dr. James B. Adams, PhD with Dr. Debbie Hamilton, MD, MSPH have all of the answers for you. In about 30 to 50% of the pregnancies, there can be some serious complications. This can include anemia, miscarriage, and gestational diabetes. The presentation will help you learn the common complications seen during pregnancy and child disorders. There are also ways to reduce such risks that you will know about through the simple guide. Fertility checks and treatments. Dr. Rebecca Pearson, MD understands the fertility issues that can be challenging yet treatable for couples. She shares her insights on the common causes related to fertility issues and the approaches for improving the female and male fertility. Also, the process of IVF is discussed. How to prevent morning sickness and nausea. Dr. David Haas, MD provides information on issues that are faced in most of the pregnancy around the world. Nausea and morning sickness are some of the common health issues that women face usually in the first trimester. But the symptoms can vary greatly in each individual. You can now learn the ways of reducing and safely treating morning sickness or nausea. Which are the best prenatal supplements? Dr. James B. Adams tells us about the importance of prenatal supplements. We all know that these can be crucial for preventing any kind of birth defects and also improve the overall health of the mother as well as the growing child. However, these are highly unregulated, and also quality varies immensely. There has been an analysis done on more than 350 studies that can help you select the best options available. Ways to reduce toxic and chemical exposures. Dr. Alexis Temkin, PhD tells us about the harmful effect of the toxic and chemical exposure on the child. There are studies done on 150 toxic chemicals that can be present in the umbilical cord. So you will be learning on the ways that can help with reducing such exposures that occur through work, food, home, air, and even cosmetics. Why is it important to meet the doctor before getting pregnant? As per Dr. Debbie Hamilton, MD, MSPH, the first 1 month of pregnancy are crucial. This is the time when the body and brain development begins. Therefore, one has to be completely prepared about becoming pregnant. Therefore, for reducing any kind of health risks, it's vital that you meet the doctor. What to eat and what not to eat. Julie Matthews, CNC, imparts her knowledge on the need for an organic, healthy diet while pregnancy months. You will learn more about the most vital kinds of foods one should be consuming daily. And also the foods that one should refrain from. Also, you get detailed information on the amount of weight that's reasonable to put on when pregnant. Don't stress. Dr. Parijat Deshpande, MS, focuses on the mind-body approach in the summit. Stress is very common during this time, especially if there are some complications involved. Therefore, learn a way to reduce stress effectively. How to prevent gestational diabetes. Lily Nichols, RDN, will tell you about the dangerous impact of gestational diabetes on patients. And as about 5% of pregnancies are affected by it, one needs to be careful. Understand if you are at the risk and the things that you can do for prevention. Of course, there is also information on the treatments available in case it happens. How can one lower the risk of miscarriage? Dr. Winifred Mock, MD, PhD, will give you information on the ways through which you can significantly reduce the risks involved with miscarriage. You can learn ahead of time on the warning signs and what one can do in such situations. What about high-risk pregnancy? The best part about the summit is that all unique and complicated pregnancy is observed here. Women over the age of 35 do face some issues. Therefore, there is a need for constant monitoring and treatments that you need to consider. This is where Anthony Shanks, MD, will offer you information on what can be done and the ways to stay safe. Is sex safe during pregnancy? As per Dr. Ashley Zimmerman, PT, DPT, PMA CPT, sex doesn't impact pregnancy. In the summit, you will know about the safest sexual activities, also the things that one has to be careful about. Physical exercises during pregnancy. Dr. Jennifer Huberty, PhD, understands well the importance of proper exercising. This is all the more important when one is pregnant. You will get to know the kind and amount of exercise that you should do. Also, the workouts that one needs to avoid and the ways you can reach your goals even if you haven't been working out for some time. Importance of vitamin D levels during pregnancy. Another important topic covered by Dr. Debbie Hamilton. The sunshine vitamin is necessary and a lot of women have low levels of it. To know more about the importance of the amounts needed and supplementation. Apart from this, there is so much more to learn, the list just goes on and on. You can be sure that there is absolutely nothing left from this amazing educational experience. The best part is that registration is free. Why should you attend the Healthy Pregnancy Summit? Well, there are various features of this summit that makes it stand out from the rest. Some of the important points are: superior education. Well, the process involving the online event creation that also resembles the college-level education with renowned experts is not easy. But the way this summit is organized, there is no complaints. There is the delivery of complete education on the topics and surely nothing is missed out. There are no hidden motives. The experts are not going to pitch you their products, services, or courses in this summit. This means that you only join or a complete learning experience excluding the sales pitches that are time-consuming. Best educational experience. The platform with cloud-based learning helps you to attend the summit any time of the day and from any device. There is no requirement for scheduling. This gives you time for learning at one's own pace and making sure that you don't miss a fact. Top advantages of joining the Healthy Pregnancy Summit. Over 20 experts for your help. Have you ever thought about why some mothers are easily able to handle everything on their own? The summit has more than 20 experts that will offer you advice on the full term of pregnancy. This means that you will have information on fears, pains, and frustrations that you might face. This will equip you better and you will know the way to handle any situation smoothly. Saves you time. Now you don't have to wait in a long queue till you get groped by agents. Also, you can completely skip the unsanitary and overpriced hotel rooms or spend time away from family. This is a time-saving platform that will help you to learn a lot about having a healthy pregnancy from the comfort of your home. Organized learning. For all of us, the time has immense value. The quality of life that we have does impact the baby's health as well. Therefore, without stressing out, you can learn from the basics to some of the vital and complex topics easily. Top quality educational sources. There are no substitutes for the best education resource when you attend this summit. The summit is led by the best educationalists and medical practitioners, so no scope for misinformation at all. Some experts will help you with strategies and tactics for making sure that your dream of having a healthy baby is fulfilled. Frequently asked question on Healthy Pregnancy Summit. What exactly is the Healthy Pregnancy Summit? Well, Healthy Pregnancy Summit is the 3-day digital summit. It is backed up by over 20 experts related to nutrition, childbirth, and wellness. All of the secrets and tactics for having a healthy baby are covered here. Do we need to travel accommodations for attending the summit? Not. This is a virtual event. This means that you can attend it as per your schedule, from any device and anywhere in the world. How to register? Registration is easy and free. You just need to enter your email ID on the website homepage and your work is done. This takes less than a minute. What about the refund policy? If you go for the VIP All Access Pass and face any issues, you can request a 100% refund. This is valid for 90 days and no questions asked. Therefore, there is absolutely no risk at all. This shows the trust they have in offering an enhanced educational experience and are highly reliable. What are the benefits of exclusive Summit All Access VIP Pass? Well, there are some amazing benefits that you can avail through the All Access VIP Pass, including the complete recording of over 20 Summit representatives. Easy to download MP from each of these presentations. High-quality notes. Immediate access without any wait. Extra package with Summit bonus. Are there any bonuses? Of course, there are some wonderful bonuses that you get. This includes the Healthy Child Guide, the science behind the Healthy Child Guide, healthy recipes for a healthy pregnancy kitchen. It offers a comprehensive approach to everything related to pregnancy. What if I need assistance after the summit? All of your problems are solved right here. You can easily continue with the conversations after event completion as well. All of the VIP members do get access to support the community. This means that you will be able to see some more of the informative articles and get all of the email updates regarding so many topics. Final words. While we are living in the fear of the pandemic, each one of us is helpless and needs to stay home. In such times, you can easily access the Web Summit, where the experts across the country will be offering their advice to the expecting mothers or if you want to conceive. Also, you'll learn about all of the important precautions one should be taking for making sure that you become the mother of a happy and healthy child. The entire summit is well organized that makes learning simple, effective, and easy to remember. In case you do miss out on a point or two, you always have the option to go back to the recordings and revise again. So we don't see a reason why should you wait for a longer time. Especially when there is a limited period offer going on that assures complete value for money. The best part about the summit is that you get all of the information that you could need in one place.